Want to know how to explore tools in TubeBuddy? Well, no worries. So TubeBuddy is very helpful in order to add or make your channel grow better and get more views. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can explore some tools that should make your channel better. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy website or just simply towards your studio, and here on the top right side you should also be seeing TubeBuddy interface or the icon. Just simply select that and it should open up. Now on the left side you should be seeing various tools that you can choose from. So that goes from tag list, video topic banner, niche insights, and time to publish and much more. So you can also see tools on top as well. So you can just simply scroll down and see all the way from comment moderation, word processing to much more, and that's it. So you can just simply select any one of these. So let's say I'm just going to select a keyboard explorer, and now you can just simply type in any keyboard and then select explore, and it should explore you some keywords for you, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.